Inside Machine Simulation, we have added a possibility to preview holder component axes defined through Toolkit. This particular holder has two axes, axis C and axis B. When we run Machine Simulation, all the data defined inside the toolkit will be exported accordingly. Sometimes it can be beneficial to see these component axes inside the machine simulation while simulating your toolpath, like shown here. In order to use this option, make sure to go to your SolidCAM settings and under Machine Simulation and Miscellaneous Options, make sure that your Show Component Axis from Toolkit is checked, and also that Join Holder Components into a Single Body is unchecked.